day for dude. We had to bust him up out of there. Crazy.
Yo, what's up, mother trucker? Became a fan of the show about a month ago, working to become my own boss. You'll get it, brother. I appreciate you. He says, I saw this happen right before my eyes yesterday near the South Carolina inland port. The truck flipped over, turning right at the light. The driver was knocked unconscious. Me and another random guy broke the windshield, turned off the truck, unbuckled his seatbelt, and pulled the guy out of the truck to safety. My guy, you are the man. I appreciate you so much. Thank you for being a mother trucker and for sending this video clip and pictures, man. I mean, I can't say it enough. The mother trucker community loves you too, bro. Once out of the truck, he woke up and told us his head was hurting really badly. Didn't get his name, but I believe he'll be alright. Hope this helps out the trucking community to stay safe and to look out for one another. Take care, man. Then he says, one day I'll meet you and share my story. No Twitter, but I have an Instagram at Hayden_Inc. Jeremiah Hayden. That's what's up, bro. We're gonna meet, man. Come out to South Florida. I got you, bro. Dinner on me. Everything, man. I appreciate what you did the other day.
We are the music makers, and we are the dreamers of dreams.